Hello everyone, welcome to Style by Mike Fashion YouTube page yet again. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a perfect down of a trouser. The perfect down. Have you ever wondered why when you finish sewing your trousers and you're about to fold the down in order to add your hemming gum or to stitch it with a machine, you find that the down of your trouser is not even, and then you have some sort of folding, especially when you use your hemming gum. It's not smooth out. So I'm going to show you today how to avoid that problem on the down of your trouser, especially when you're using hemming gum. So here's the process. You see me, this down of this trouser is 15 inches, 7.5 is 15 inches. You see that after that place, I still took that 15 inches a little bit further. That is still 15 inches all the way to about 5 inches away. Still 15 inches. You can see that from down to that level, you have to make sure it's the same measurement. If the down of your trouser is 14, make sure it's 14 inches all the way to probably 5 inches away from the down. Do you understand? Because when you start opening up your trouser by way of measurement, when you start opening it up, probably the down is 15 and then you take it not up to 5 inches and then you make it 16, 17, 18, like the trouser tapers upwards. So when you start opening it too soon, that is when you have that problem. But if your down is 15 inches, you take it 5 inches away and still make it 15 inches, then you discover that when you fold the trouser, it's going to align very well. And after applying your hemming gum, you're not going to have any extra fabric. You're not going to have any folding on the down. It's going to be smooth out. So that's just the simple trick there. That's just the simple trick there. So this is a point where you hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel right now. Like this video right now. Share this video right now. Please subscribe, like, share. Please do it now. Do it now before we go with the video. Please do it right now. Subscribe, like, share. Okay? Thank you. Make sure you take 15 inches measurements from your down to at least 5 inches away from your down. Now this is me. I've already folded the down, and this is what I'm using, the hemming gum, to apply inside the folded part of the trouser. So I'm going to do that now. Apply the hemming gum. So I always like to tell you that this is my way of doing it, because everybody has different patterns of doing it. But for me, I like to cut out my hemming gum so I can go around the down of the trouser at least twice. That's why I did that. So now I cut it so that I can go around the down of the trouser at least 2 times before applying it, before fixing it inside. So this is me trying to fix it inside the down of the trouser. And you can see that I'm making sure that the hemming gum is not folded. I'm making sure that it is not folded while I push it inside the trouser. Make sure it is not folded. Let it be evenly spread out. Open that up. Make sure it is evenly spread out, like so. Apply it as seen, carefully, because this is actually what gives your trouser the beauty, because this is one of the finishing. So it has to be sleek and nice. has to be slick and nice. Take your time, do not rush this. Apply the hemming gum like so, and then when you're done, if you have a steam iron, that's fine. My steam iron has been giving me issues lately, so I apply water first, because the one I'm using right now is not a steam iron. Apply water and then you iron it, but if you have a steam iron, that's good. Apply water so that the gum will melt down. Apply water and iron. So this is after doing that ironing. You can see that everything is smoothed out, but there's just a little bit of folding here, which we will use the iron to spread out. Just that place, you can see. So now it's time to turn it inside out. Turn it to the good side. Apply more water and stretch that place out. Iron it, and everything will be fine. So after ironing that, this is what we'll do. Since this is hemming gum, you know that hemming gum can always come off easily. No matter how hard it is, there is a time that hemming gum will come off on your client's body. When they wear it, and then you start receiving calls like, hey, this your trouser don't open. Sorry. So this is what we'll do. You see that middle line that joins the both parts of the trouser? At that middle line, we're going to stitch it there. We will stitch it, yeah, at the side line, at the out seam line or the in seam line. Both of them are going to stitch it along that place that will apply the hemming gum. Stitch it right on the line so that it can be invisible. So you just double stitch that to hold the trouser together and to make it last longer, so that your client will not call you to complain that this your trouser has opened, I'm bringing it to your shop now. So you just stitch that as seen here. Stitch that as seen here. I've done for the out seam, I'm doing it for the in seam now. So this is me stitching the inside parts of the down of the trouser for durability. You can see that. So you just do that for both legs. When you're done with the first leg, do that for the second leg, and you are done. Just make sure you trim out all the excess thread. Do that for the second leg, and then take that to the table and give it the finishing touches, which will be the final ironing. So at this point, guys, you need to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Please do not leave. If you have not liked this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a video. So this is how to achieve a slick and a perfect looking down of a trouser. So follow this step by step and you will achieve the same results that I always do. And I assure you that I've never had any issue with trousers before. And also, if you would like to know how to cut trousers in a perfect way, you can always check on my channel, because I've posted a video on how to cut trousers before. So go check that out to see the same kind of perfect trousers as seen in this picture. Check that out, watch it and learn. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.